Alright, hello everyone. So our first question for today is, f of x is equal to x to the third minus 3 over 2 x to the second. Now this one's nice and easy to factor. We just pull out x to the second. So we get f of x is equal to x to the second times x minus 3 over 2. Because this is x to the third with no negative in front of the x, we know that this is going to be a positive graph, so it's going to come up, down a little bit, and back up. So now the end behavior is instantly going to be, as x approaches negative infinity, y also approaches negative infinity, and as x approaches infinity, y also approaches infinity. So here we're going to try to find the y-intercept, and we find the y-intercept by setting x equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 to the third minus 3 over 2 times 0 to the second. Of course, 0 times itself however many times is still 0, and 0 times anything else however many times, or whatever it may be, is also 0, so y is equal to 0, and our y-intercept is going to be 0, 0. Next, we're going to find our x-intercepts, so we're going to set y equal to 0, and here we're going to use the product of factors idea, which essentially states that if two things multiplied together equal 0, then one of those two things has to equal 0. So we set each one of these equal to 0, x to the second is equal to 0, you square both sides, but that's still x equal to 0. And here we have x minus 3 over 2 is equal to 0, negative 3 over 2 is equal to negative x, because we brought the x over, making it negative, and then we want these numbers to be positive, so we make it 3 over 2 equal to x. So from this, we also know, because this is a polynomial function, we know it's going to be, the domain is going to be infinity, and our x-intercepts are going to be 0, 0, and 3 over 2, 0, and our y-intercept is going to be 0, 0, with our 0 as being 0 and 3 over 2.